Ho, 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 hello there. Today we have a new book for you, and it's Noni the Christmas Reindeer, Rand McNally Jr. elf book. It was first came out in the late 70s. Let's see, it's a small one, so it's hard to read here, by Daphne Doward Hogstrom and illustrated by June Goldsboro. And let's see here. Noni could fly faster and farther than any other reindeer at the North Pole, but she was never allowed to pull Santa's sleigh. "You are too small," Santa told her. "I need big, strong deer to haul my heavy load. You stay at home and guard the stable day by day." But it was lonely guarding the reindeer stable every day. Most of the time, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Dunder, and Blitzen were off in the fields and forests, running and jumping and getting ready for their Christmas Eve ride. And of course, on Christmas Eve itself, they flew through the sky with Santa's sack. "Surely I can help Santa too," thought Noni. One especially lonely Christmas, when even her friends, the stable mice, had left her to sleep together in the warm, soft straw. "If I can help pull Santa's sleigh, then perhaps I can help fill it," she thought. "I will fly to the farthest corners of the world and find new and wonderful toys for the girls and boys." And on the very first day after Christmas, true to her word, off she went to the four wide ends of the earth. "Good," said Santa when Noni found a wooden clown and that turned and tumbled and stood upon his head in a hoop. "Great," said Santa when she found a tiny china chicken that squalled and squawked and laid a china egg. "Grand," said Santa when she discovered a big silver robot who walked and talked and stared with fiery eyes. In the farthest nooks and crannies of the world, Noni found more and more wonderful toys. "Marvelous," said Santa when a queen in a faraway castle gave a teddy bear that balanced on a string. Oh, did you see the teddy bear? "Tremendous," said Santa when a prince in a far distant kingdom gave a calico cat that swung upon a swing. "Terrific," cried Santa when a king in a palace on a pinnacle gave a painted horse that pranced around the ring. All year long, Noni found more and more toys for Santa's sack. She found little tin trains that puffed and whistled. She found little tin planes that flit and flew. She found a fire truck with ever-ready water and a toy box with 95 toys. She found paints made with colors from the rainbow and a book brushed with stardust and dew. She found a flute that played tunes forever and a crystal ball that showed the sun and moon. Finally, on a faraway mountain in a meadow, she found a magician making dolls that danced and sang. "Perfect," cried Santa at last on Christmas Eve, "but my sack is filled to overflowing, so I'll need you to help to guard my heavy load." And almost faster than Noni could fly, he hitched her up behind his waiting sleigh. "Please watch out and warn for falling toys," he called as he climbed to his seat beside the sack. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixit, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. It says Blender here, but that's the old school way of saying it. They flew happily at the front of Santa's sleigh, steering their way through the stars. But Noni flew happily at the back of Santa's sleigh, watching for dolls that may tumble through the darkness, or for clowns that might topple through the clouds. I'll never be lonely again, she said, thinking of all the toys she would find for next Christmas, too. And that's the end of the story. Yeah, in some countries, they still call one of my reindeers Dunder, and in others, they call her Donner. But either way's okay. The reindeer don't mind. We'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye-bye.